Oops, that doesn't sound right. Did I just say my cat eats fish? Or that I eat my cat? Sentence structure matters. Let's fix this together. A simple sentence has three important parts: subject, verb, and object. Let's break it down. Subject. The subject does the action. It's the person or thing that does something. For example, Tom runs. Tom is the subject because he is doing the action. Sarah laughs. Sarah is the subject because she is the one laughing. Who is the subject in this sentence? Write your answer in the comments. Emma sings. Did you get it right? Let's try another one. Verb. The verb is the action. It tells us what is happening. For example, Sarah reads a book. Reads is the verb because it's the action. John writes a letter. Writes is the verb because it's the action. What is the verb in this sentence? Write your answer in the comments. Jake plays football. Great. Now one last challenge. Object. The object is the thing that receives the action. It's what the subject is acting on. For example, Emily eats an apple. An apple is the object because Emily is eating it. Emma opens a gift. A gift is the object because Emma is opening it. What is the object in this sentence? Write your answer in the comments. Lily paints a picture. Well done. You did an amazing job. Now let's review everything. Now you know. A simple sentence has three important parts: subject, verb, and object. Can you make your own sentence? Write it in the comments.